Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Fiix CMMS software. So first thing that you do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Fiix CMMS. Okay, so this one, and then after that, you will be directed to this website. And as you can see at the top, we don't have an option where we can sign up for an account. We only have the login, the book a demo, and the free tour. So when you tap on the book a demo option, right here, you will need to type out your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your company name, the size of your maintenance team, and then your country. Then after that, you just have to wait, and then they will going to send you your free demo. But since we cannot really request for one right now, what I am going to do here is to discuss to you the products and the important features if you are considering to use this tool for your business. Okay, so let's start with the work order management. Okay, so here you can easily create, complete, and optimize the work orders in work requests while keeping your records in one place. Automatically analyze the work orders with the work order insights reports. Next one is the asset management. So here you can managing your assets should not be guesswork. So you can observe, track, and optimize the asset performance in a few clicks. Okay, so you have that right here. So that's how it looks like. Next one is the inventory management. So you can take full control of your storeroom, get the right parts at the right time for the right price. Next is the analytics and reporting. So one tool to see, sort, and act on all your maintenance data. So you can visualize and filter your data in hundreds of ways to quickly spot how to boost uptime, reduce waste, and more. For the mobile maintenance, so everything you need to get the job done is the palm of your hand. So you can manage from anywhere at any time, even without an internet connection. Okay, so right here, as you can see, you can get data from any system you want and use it to see the future of your facility. Okay, so use the Fiix endless integration capabilities and the AI powered reporting to get data that works for you, because guesswork is not good work. So here we have the Fiix asset risk predictor. So you can set up the predictive maintenance in as little as 2 weeks. So you can cut down time, skip the unnecessary inspections, and keep production running. Alright, so this is how it's going to look like. Next one is the asset insights. So you can instantly spot the red flags in maintenance levels. So the asset insight dashboard automatically alerts you if you're spending extra time or money on maintenance, so you can find and fix problems before they lead to downtime. Next one is the work order insights. So the work order insights report tells you which work orders are causing the breakdowns, the delays, and the compliance issues, so you can spend your time solving problems instead of looking for them. Next is the parts of the forecaster. So a smarter way to manage the parts, so avoid the stack outs and reduce working capital tied up in your storeroom. Fiix parts forecaster analyzes historical data and predicts the parts you'll need for the upcoming work. Next is the integration. So you can connect your CMMS to any system. So say goodbye to complicated, costly CMMS integrations. Connect, collect, and share data and trigger work across any system with the Fiix. Okay, so now let's proceed to the products. As you can see here, we have the Fiix CMMS, the Fiix Mobile, and the Fiix Asset Risk Predictor. So for the features, we have the asset management, the work order management and integration, the analytics and reporting, the parts and supplies management, the Fiix Foresight, the Fiix App Exchange. Now, for the industry solution, we have the oil and gas, the heavy equipment, food and beverages, manufacturing, and more industry. So, yeah, let's just try to see the oil and gas. Okay, So right here, as you can see, you can complete all your compliant tasks on time and provide it to the auditors in seconds. So you can use the e-signatures to sign off on work and ensure the compliance guidelines are followed. Add PPE, safety manuals, and more every work order so the technicians can stay safe. You can track schedule maintenance. You can show FERC, OSHA, ISO, and other auditors what was done and when. And of course, the condition based and preventive maintenance. So you can do maintenance when it's needed most. So your production can run as much as possible. So automatically trigger the maintenance based on meter readings, asset condition, and throughput. And build detailed asset hierarchies for every area of your site using the drag and drop tools. You can generate failure codes to fix problems quickly and support a root cause analysis. And then find, filter, and update repair histories without searching through binders or the file cabinets. And of course, you can create and access work orders in as little as 20 seconds from anywhere, literally. So you can use the mobile app to see work requests without going back and forth to the office. And pull up manuals, task lists, and asset information even if there's no internet connection. And of course, use the QR code to sign up parts or find asset details instantly. You can send new work requests to a technician's mobile device when they are in the field. And again, for the maintenance analytics and reporting, so use the maintenance data to see where to save time, increase production, and cut costs. So build customizable dashboards to track the past, current, and upcoming preventive maintenance at a glance. So measure the impact of maintenance without looking at a single spreadsheet. Visualize and filter data in hundreds of ways, including by time period, cost, asset, or site. And yeah, you can also download your data in multiple formats and share insight across business. And for the reliability and predictive maintenance, you can predict what parts to purchase, what risks to prepare for, and where to put your budget. So predict the upcoming work that's likely to cause equipment's failure with the work order insight report. And use the parts forecaster tool to order the right inventory for upcoming maintenance, track rotating asset, backup equipment, and fail safe so you can act quickly in an emergency. And calculate maintenance costs to make capital expenditure decisions that could save your company millions. Okay, so the fixed maintenance software integrates with the system that oil and gas companies rely on. So we have here like Komatsu, Power BI, John Deere, Microsoft Dynamics AX, and many more. We also have the Oracle and the SAP. So yeah, if you're considering to use this tool, then basically you have to book a demo first, or you can go to a free tour. Just have to provide your details, and then after that, you are going to talk to sales, and then you just have to pay for your plan. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.